Hello, my name is Naeem. I'm from Thailand and currently based in Krabi. I teach Thai language for foreigners who want to communicate naturally and confidently in real life situation. I speak Thai, Malay, English, Turkish, Spanish, and a little bit of Arabic. So I understand the challenges of learning a new language. I'm a polyglot and I have learned languages through formal education and self-study. I have experience teaching and communicating with international students through my work in tourism and multicultural environments. In my lesson, you can expect a relaxed and supportive atmosphere. I focus on conversation, pronunciation, practical Thai that you can use in daily life. My teaching style is student-centered. Listen or adapt to your goal, whether you are a beginner, traveler, or someone living in Thailand. I like using real-life situation, role-play, conversation, useful vocabulary, and cultural explanation to make learning enjoyable and effective. If you're ready to speak Thai with confidence, if you're ready to start speaking Thai with confidence, book a lesson with me today. I will guide you step by step and help you enjoy your Thai learning journey. Thanks for watching. Look forward to meeting you in class.